Over 2,000 sound effects on 18 CDs, more than 18 hours, presented alphabetically and numerically in a very easy-to-use catalog. Audio Pro Sound Effects, a unique working tool for pros. Created by a team of sound engineers, constantly in contact with the world of feature films, documentaries, advertising, and sound design, Audio Pro Sound Effects gives you precise isolated sounds and longer tracks to let you create any sound situations you want. We have been building up this collection on a day-to-day basis, and we feel sure that Audio Pro Sound Effects will help make your job easier. Compact Disc Number 1, Nature. All the sounds found in nature. CD number 2, Animals. Domestic, wild, from the smallest to the largest. CD number 3, Airplanes. The cockpit, the cabin, in and around the airport.
Passengers on Nico Stravinsky Aero Transport Flight 241 to Belgrade.
CD number 4, Trains and Stations. High-speed, express, and local trains. Interior and exterior ambiances. CDs number 5 and 6 bring together transportation of all kinds. From rockets to rowboats. From helicopters to subways. From automobiles with all the accessories to steam locomotives. Compact Disc Number 7 is dedicated to city traffic around the world. CD number 8 is split into 2 parts. Part 1, crowds, markets, shopping malls, pedestrian streets, museums. Part 2, industry, work sites, ports. Compact Disc Number 9, leisure and entertainment. Billiards, fireworks, amusement parks, theater. A wide variety of effects and ambiances. Compact Disc Number 10 is divided into 4 sections: tools, office, communications, cameras. CDs number 11 and 12 bring together all the sounds of the household. Elevators, kitchen, home appliances, bathroom, dining room, bedroom, garden, and workshop. CD number 13 provides room tones in very quiet atmospheres. Very different places, very different situations. Compact Disc Number 14 presents 3 completely different sections: bells, sports, war. CDs number 15 and 16 are dedicated to human sounds, human solo, human groups, human crowds. CD number 17 offers in Part 1 a variety of samples, musical tags, and stings. In Part 2, you enter the world of science fiction. CD number 18, Part 1 is dedicated to cartoons and comic effects. Part 2 offers a wide selection of footsteps. We've put a lot of effort into compiling the catalog that accompanies this library, Consult it alphabetically and numerically. You'll be able to appreciate the wide variety of sounds provided. Thank you for listening.
Distributed by Sound Ideas.